Imagine owning a house in a waterfront community that is just growing and you can enter at the starting price. You get fully furnished apartments with the best quality and from a developer that delivers before time. A community that's going to be a masterpiece with access to 21 plus kilometers of beachfront, 2 golf courses, 9 marinas, 86 plus hotels and resorts, everything at one stop. School, mall, hospital, supermarkets in your vicinity, and comes with a payment plan of 60% under construction and 40 on handover, and gives you a handover in less than 3 years. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert, and in today's video I'll be taking you through an excellent project in a waterfront location by a builder that is known to provide quality and deliver before time. I will be covering the details of the project, layout, sample flat, size, price, what you can buy in this project, why it's excellent for capital growth and rental returns, and if this is a right investment for you or not. So stay tuned in the entire video, keep sharing, liking and subscribing. So the project is called Wynwood Residence and it is by Imtiaz developer in a waterfront location called Dubai Islands. If I talk about the proximity of the location, you're 5 minutes from Dubai Islands Marina, beach, golf course, yacht club, 15 minutes to Dubai International Airport and Museum of the Future, and 20 minutes to downtown Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. So now I will take you to this sample show apartment which is there in the office. Usually same for all of the projects but slight change in the theme and style. So this is one apartment. As you walk in, you have this premium door and with smart lock and a fingerprint. So as you come straight, so I'm sure this is going to be the best apartment that you will see on my channel. So the details are very well taken care of. So as you walk in, you have a spacious kitchen. So usually most of the developers make apartments where only 2 people can stand, and that too it's difficult. So here you see, look at the space from here. You have all of the appliances including, this comes fully furnished. You get whatever you see including the TV, chandeliers, everything. So this is a kitchen. The best part I like about this is it's curved. Now at least with myself, whenever I walk into a place, I have a habit of banging my foot against the edges and I hurt myself. So this is a good thing. Everything is very curved here also and even on the other side if you see. All curved edges. Look at the theme, it's very well done. The colors are very sober and light, giving you a very rich look. You have so much storage space in your kitchen. That's your gas. You have all the appliances branded from Miele. Your oven, stove is right there fitted. That's your fridge, refrigerator. Again, ample of storage space, your sink, and this gives you a very premium feel. It's matte finish. So that was the kitchen. Moving straight, you have your living area. Again, pretty spacious. They are known for their big sizes and they don't give you compact apartments. So this is a sample 1-bedroom unit. You can accordingly estimate the size for 2 bedrooms. This is somewhere around 850 to 900 size. Now this unit, you have your living area. So this is the dining with this soft countertop. Now if you see, the design for this is also very unique. So they have not just given you a random furniture. It is very high quality and premium. Again, comes with a soft mat, and have a look at the legs. So you can see the chandelier also, very detailed, beautiful, unique. That proves a lot about the kind of lifestyle you will have living in their apartments. So this is the living area. Again, for furniture looks very good. You have this storage space as well with lights inside to keep any of the showpieces. You have mirrors everywhere. Here also full-size mirror. Here as well you have a full-sized mirror. That's your TV area, pretty big size of a TV with the backdrop with the beautiful chandeliers. Probably among the best I have seen for this price range. You have your office space also in some of the apartments and in some you don't have. So right there you have your AC meter, and inside that's your powder room, which is in all of the apartments. Again, pretty spacious with ample of storage space. So moving straight, that's your bedroom. So this is the master bedroom for 1-bedroom layout. Again, if you see the details, the interiors are extremely well done. You have a 3.2 meters ceiling height. So this is going to be a rooftop false ceiling. Again, very beautifully done. Interiors are very minimalistic. Now you see that side, this is your vanity with this mirror, warm lights. Again, ample of storage space. Here you can put your TV. The best part, you get this walk-in closet with glass doors. So this is a very good thing. Again, with warm lights inside everywhere. Good cabinets. The apartment is very, very aesthetic in terms of the colors, materials, everything. Now that's your washroom. Again, big mirror with a countertop, again with a soft mat. That is your storage space with a shower room with well done background. So the theme is very good with gold and soft interiors. So the space looks very premium. If we talk about the detailed amenities of the project, you get a sculpted arrival lobby, floating dining pods, extended skylit terraces, lush central courtyard, outdoor play area, rooftop pool, sun deck, splash pool, jacuzzi, open air yoga terrace, multi-level green podium, world-class modern gym, and an iconic stairway. Now I'll take you through the model of this building. So if you see, you have a ground level. This is going to be your entry and accompanied by a water body. So when you enter, there's going to be like an atrium with an open outdoors. This is your amenities deck. You have ground and 2 levels of parking. In the amenities deck, you have outdoor sitting, you have an indoor lounge. You have your, again, outdoor sitting decks. That's your gym. You have the pool deck with the waterfalls. Again, outdoor sitting area, sunken beds. Kids pool over here, kids play area. So this is your entire deck. You have 14 residential floors and these are mostly 1 bedrooms. On the corners you have 3 bedrooms. So these are the corners with duplexes. On this side you will have your 2 bedroom units with 4 bedroom duplexes on the top. So these are also going to be 14 levels and going down to 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. So this is the entire model. We'll take you now to the location. If you see, you have water on all the sides. This is your island A of Dubai Islands. All the red flags that you see here, so these are all the projects by the same developer, which is Imtiaz, and with the best quality in this entire area. You have at least 9 marinas. If you see, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4. So many are visible just here and you have many more on the other islands. So it's a group of 5 islands together, island A, B, C, D, E, with different themes and purposes that I'll be covering later. So what we are talking right now is this project, which is Wynwood by Imtiaz. So 2 beds face this side, 2 beds and 4 beds. Rest of them 1 beds have the view this side, which is towards the pool. You have your other projects here, Sunset Bay, and you have Beach Walk, Courtier House and all. This middle, what you see is the mall. Right here is your Dubai Islands beach. From here goes all the way till there. That's your beach. With the sand already, you can see the sand already there. This is your nearest marina. Now you have endless sea towards that side, and towards this side you have your entire downtown and Burj Khalifa on this side. And your Dera area, Bardubai, entire area on this side. This is the road that is going to connect and your building will be right here. This developer has multiple projects in all of Dubai. If you see multiple in JVC area, you have one in Furjan, Westwood by Imtiaz, right next to the metro station. There you have DLRC, numerous projects with the name Cove, and that's your Burj Khalifa. Right there you have Hyde Walk in Jumeirah Garden City. Now let's understand the significance of this location and why it's the best for rentals and for capital growth. Dubai Islands is the location of this project and it comprises of 5 islands, island A, B, C, D and E. This particular project is located on island A. So this is the aerial view of Dubai Islands. You can see all the 5 islands from here. Key features of Dubai Islands are this island will have 86 resorts and hotels that will boost tourism and luxury living, 21 kilometers of beachfront for relaxation and entertainment, 50 kilometers of pristine coastline with amazing views, 9 marinas for yacht owners and investors, a yacht club, 2 world-class golf courses, including a 9-hole golf course and an 18-hole championship golf course. You have multiple unit configurations available from 1, 2, 3, 3-bedroom duplex and 4-bedroom duplex. And you can see the sizes as well in the screenshot. You have ground plus 2 podium plus 14 residential floors. If you see, these sizes are bigger than the market average and you get multiple layouts to choose from. Dubai Islands are a key part of Dubai's 2040 vision, which aims to turn northern Dubai into a new economic and investment hub. There are very limited waterfront plots available in Dubai, especially for communities. Hence, this is a good option that will help with both capital growth and rental yields in the future, especially when you're entering at the entry point when the island is still growing and you can say almost underdeveloped with just 2 hotels operating at the moment right now. This waterfront community is right next to the neighborhood, which is home to more than 60% of the population of Dubai and includes areas such as Bar Dubai and Dera, including Gold Souk. Most of the businesses are currently operating around Dera, and this community will be home to all of them because they have not been able to buy properties in those areas because it's leasehold. This ensures that you will always have demand for both rentals and sales. For complete video on why Dubai Islands should be your next move, refer to the link given below and get access to the entire video where I have explained what's coming inside Dubai Island, the entire framework, master plan, everything. The completion of the project is in Q3 2027, which is less than 3 years of time and comes with a payment plan of 60% under construction, 40% on handover. You can have a look here at the payment plan and you have a 20% down payment along with a 4% DLD. Rest of the plan goes as per the schedule. You can review the starting price of the units here. I hope I was able to share all details of the project. It is not the only one they have. There are many projects in Dubai Islands location. If you need any details of this project or you want to book your unit, get in touch with me for expert investment advice or to book your unit. I can also schedule a viewing for you. You can come and see their show apartment. So get in touch with me. My handles are given below, my Instagram, LinkedIn and my WhatsApp link. DM me or WhatsApp me or my team will get back to you. I will be coming up with a lot more content related to Dubai and Dubai real estate in general. So stay tuned if you want to maximize your profits in Dubai real estate or you want to buy a home for yourself. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing. See you in the next video.